Come, let me tell you what is the most important thing in human. Why is human the superior most creation in this entire universe, all galaxies? Human being, say, important, powerful, highest, कोई भी नहीं है. Every human being, man, woman, child, adult, everybody, any religion, any color. Why? What is the most important thing in a human being? Most precious thing. Because you know me, so you may expect I would say love. No, I'll change words. The most important thing in you is dhyan, meditation. Oh, meditation becomes a very esoteric word, an ununderstandable, esoteric. Well, ध्यान, आपका ध्यान किस तरफ है? That's what is most important. तेरी आंखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है? आंखें क्या है? आंखें आंखें सब हैं बराबर. ये कौन निराली आंखें हैं? किस आंखों की बात हो रही? किस मीनाक्षी की बात हो रही? आंखें तो वैसी की वैसी सबकी हैं, सेम शेप. इस आंखों की बात नहीं हो रही. कौन सी निराली आंखों की बात हो रही? ध्यान इस आंखें. आपकी ध्यान किस तरफ? यू मे कैरी ऑन विद द वर्ल्ड्स एक्टिविटीज, बट अंदर एक ध्यान है. अंदर, वेयर are you? What are you thinking all the time? You have to carry on with people, you have to carry on with your cooking, to carry on with your eating, moving about, breathing. But what are you thinking? Inside, deep inside, who is in your heart? Who lives in your heart? That who lives in your heart initially will come to you as a form. Then he'll become a formless reality of yours. Initially, he'll come to you in the form of a form, then he'll become a formless reality of your own self. You will not stay a form anymore then. You will also be as formless as he is. And that formlessness and your formlessness, when they unite, oneness is possible. तस्वीरां ना मिलियां, कदे भी ना मिलियां. तस्वीरां मिल ही नहीं सकती. ये हुक्म है, ये दुनिया बनाई ऐसी गई. तस्वीरां नहीं मिल सकती. दो दिल मिल बैठे, दिल मिल जाएंगे. तस्वीरां मिलने की कोशिश भी मत करो. Then love will become worldly. It will get polluted. But जो दिल मिल बैठेंगे, it will be eternal, it will be divine, it will be platonic. So दिलों को मिलने दो. और दिलों को मिलने दो का मतलब क्या है? अब now I'll have to use the same word. Love. जब दो दिल मिल जाएंगे ना, that's called love. सो ध्यान पहले धारणा का रूप लेगा, फिर ध्यान का रूप लेगा, फिर समाधि का रूप लेगा, फिर वो समाधि निर्विकल्प हो जाएगी. देश बंध, देश बंधश्च चित्तस्य धारणा. So good students, they do their study also. There are some very good students amidst all of us who study. Because without your own study, how will the teacher teach you? You also have to study. देश बंधश्चित्तस्य धारणा. धारणा क्या है? कन्विक्शन क्या है? Conviction means dharana. Initial is conviction that I must keep my beloved in my heart all the time. All the time. I must, not that I do it, but I should. That shouldness is called dharana. That I should have my beloved always in my heart. And that beloved is called Krishna, is called Ram, is called Guru. You may conceptualize him in any which form which you are attracted towards. Any which form you are attracted towards, and that form will declare to you, I am not this form, I am formless, I am love only. Form is just come to begin the process of redemption, of salvation, liberation, of independence. Independence. इंडिपेंडेंस नहीं, वो तो इंडिपेंडेंस डे तो 1947 में हुआ था. Independence, not dependent on anything or anyone, not even on your own breath. You become independent. You fly into that sky which is called love. ਲਾਵਾਂ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਦੇ ਅੰਬਰੀ ਉਡਾਰੀਆਂ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਦੀਆਂ ਚੜੀਆਂ ਖੁਮਾਰੀਆਂ. ਆ ਮੇਰੇ ਪੈਰ ਵੀ ਜ਼ਮੀਨ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਦੇ. So you start flying. You cross the gravitational pull of the earth and you become an otherworldly being. Beginning is the conviction that I want to hold my beloved in my heart, whom I cannot catch by my hands, who cannot catch with my body. Radha did not marry Krishna because bodily, if you want to catch him, then you can become Rukmini. Radha didn't want to do that. She didn't want to exchange place with Rukmini. She felt him all the time in her heart. And she was blessed because she and Krishna can never separate. Radha, Krishna are one. Rukmini is forced to now marry Radha Krishna, not Krishna alone, because Krishna cannot be alone always, anytime. So, yes, it happens to the chosen ones, but it does happen. Gurmukh jisnu aap kare so howe, ekasya chit lave. Gurmukh jisnu aap kare so howe, ekasya chit lave. So, it happens to those in whom this love wakes up. कर्मी कर्मी होए विचार. कर्मी दो तरह के होते हैं. कर्मी मीन्स द गॉड एंड कर्मी मीन्स योर एफर्ट. द ग्रेस एज वेल एज योर एफर्ट पुट टुगेदर विल यूनाइट यू. किसे ऐसियां निगाह मैनू तक्या, किसे ऐसियां निगाह मैनू तक्या, गया पैर इश्के दे विच रखे. Somebody saw me with that kind of intensity that I have flown into the ocean of love. This must happen, and you have to open the gates of your heart, and it will happen. रहे कोई 100 पर्दों में, डरे शर्म से, नजर कोई लाख चुराए अजी सनम से, आ ही जाता है जिस पर दिल आना होता है, then it's a sacred secret affair. हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है, प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है. In this ध्यान only you can live a liberated life. A liberated life. This life has been given, human life has been given to you to be liberated, independent of all circumstances, so that you get established in your own stance. No circumstances bother you thereafter. You become independent. I tell you, there is no bhakta, no devotee ever born in this creation, who is greater bhakta than God Himself. God is the greatest bhakta. He is ever in bliss. He is Gyan Murti. He is ever in bliss because He doesn't leave you even for a second from His heart. He keeps you in His heart every second, eternally, sempiternally. He doesn't leave you even for a second. If He leaves you for a second, then He is no God. Then He's dead. God has died. He doesn't leave you even for a second. And what does He want from you? What does He want from you? Not your body, not the riches, not the money, not the donations, not the rituals, not your every ritual is you are bound to कि आज गुरुद्वारे नहीं गए. That's also become a headache. आज मैंने घंटी नहीं बजाई. Oh my God, I did not light the lamp today. As if it's some force on you. Forget about it. He wants you to be liberated and live with Him. What does He want from you? He wants your attention, your acknowledgement, your acceptance that I love you. Just your heart, no rituals required. He just wants all the time your attention. He knows that you can't because you have so many things to do. But He Himself doesn't let you go out of His heart even for a second, even for a moment. He loves you so much. He cares for you so much. And why has He given you troubles? That you have created. He has not given you. By your distancing from Him, you have created troubles. A person like me, whom He has blessed with constant presence, is never in any trouble. I don't do any work. So when I don't do any work, how can there be trouble? I don't have any responsibilities. So how can there be any headache? I have no responsibilities in life. These chief responsibilities, dhyan, dharana, samadhi, and then go to nirvikalpa. No imaginations, no thoughts, just union, communion. मेरे दिल ने जो मांगा मिल गया, मैंने जो कुछ भी चाहा मिल गया. मुझे किसी चुने हुए की एक्नॉलेजमेंट चाहिए, वो मिल गई, बस और क्या चाहिए? और क्या चाहिए उसे? हरे राम. एंड भगवान से बड़ा भक्त भी कोई नहीं है, ये मैं बता दिया. वो आपको ब्लेस नहीं करता, वो आपसे मांगता है, गिव मी योर हैंड. and you put your hand on his hand. And that's enough. Nothing else required. You see, if remember, he often asks you for your. He just extends his hand, and you sometimes put your hand on his hand. And thereafter, nothing required. Eternal communion, which was there, which is there, which will always be there. जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच. सो हम क्या करें? जप. अरे हम मुंह से रोज रोज बोलना शुरू कर दें, आज सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच, आज सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच. इससे कुछ नहीं होगा. ये ऑलरेडी आज सच है. आज सच मतलब हमेशा से ये सच है कि हम मिले हुए हैं. Experience this union, this communion, this love. And then who will tell you that this has happened? मेरी अपनी परांदी मैनू दस्या. मेरी अपनी परांदी मैनू दस्या. रोम रोम च है राम मेरे वस्या. परांदी क्या होती है? जो बालों में गूंथी जाती है ना, परांदी होती है. वो परांदी कैसे बता सकती है? क्योंकि मेरे रोम रोम को तो परांदी ही जानती है. नहीं मैं जाना जोगी दे नाल, ए जोगी मेरा जूड़ा कस्या. ये जो बिखरे हुए बाल हैं उसने बांध दिए जोगी. ए जोगी मेरा जूड़ा कस्या. हरे राम. ये जोगी मेरे मन विच वस्या. वो ध्यान है. ध्यान है. देश बंधस चित्तस्य धारणा. देखो, मोस्ट प्रेशियस थिंग इन यू इज धारणा, ध्यान, समाधि. पुट टुगेदर संयम बोलते हैं, इसी को प्रेम. दिल लग गया. दिल ही तो है ना जो लगता नहीं है. दिल की बातें दिल ही जाने. ये दिल ही तो है ना जो लगता नहीं है. अगर दिल लग गया तो बस और चाहिए क्या इस दुनिया में. फिर आप मरने जीने से परे. पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो. जीवन मीठी प्यास तुम कहती हो. मीठी प्यास है ये प्यास को जगने दो. फिर तुम मेरे जैसे हो जाओगे जब प्यार तुम्हें हो जाएगा. फिर बुझे बुझे नहीं रहोगे. इस टाइम अगर हम कहें और वो मुस्कुरा दें तो हम उन पर जिंदगानी लुटा दें. कुछ किसी के कहने पे ही मुस्कुरा दो एटलीस्ट. भगवान किसी ना किसी तरीके से आपको याद कराएगा कि थोड़ा मुस्कुरा दो. मैंने तुम्हें बनाया ही इसलिए कि तुम्हारा ध्यान मेरी तरफ हो जाए, तुम्हारा ध्यान मुझ में लग जाए. क्योंकि ध्यान मैंने किसी और को दिया ही नहीं. ध्यान has been given only to human being. Animals have been given dhyan for grass, for their prey, for their shelter. But man has been given dhyan for God, for love, for union, for communion. उस ध्यान को आपने भी अपनी स्टूपिड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज में डाल के रखा हुआ. तो फिर तो सफर करोगे और फिर कहोगे कि भगवान ने मेरे को इतनी सफरिंग क्यों दी है. भगवान तो कहता है तुम मुझे प्यार तो करके देखो. करके तो देखो. World can permit you to go to mandir. It can permit you to light lamps. It can permit you to remember shlokas of Bhagavad Gita. But if you truly fall in love with Krishna, then you will be an outcast like Meera was. Then God will not accept you. No, I mean, the world will not accept you then. The world will say she's gone mad. You see, you can go to mandir, masjid, whatever. But the day you start falling in love with God and become a Sufi, become a Meera, then world will say you're an outcast. You're mad. फिर ये मंदिर मस्जिद क्यों जा रहे थे? अगर प्यार ही नहीं करना तो किस लिए दिए जला रहे हो रोज? जब तक कि आपके लिए हेडेक है दैट आज मैं गुरुद्वारे नहीं गया, ओ मैं आई मस्ट टुडे आई डिड नॉट गो टू गुरुद्वारा, तब तक तो गॉड सेज ओ ही इज अ फाइन मैन. But the day you fall in love with your guru and you don't need to go anywhere, then you become liberated, then you will be called mad. Look at this world. Hare Ram. Allow yourselves to fall in love. You don't have to fall in love. You already are. You just have to accept it. Accept that you love God. Hare Ram. Vaheguru. 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 नाम कोई भी लेते रहा करो. Conceptualize your God the way you want. Love Him. Hare Ram. Hare Ram. Hare Ram. Hare Ram.